Hey guys, welcome back to the channel with another video. I'm before you. So today it's any other typical Monday for me. Actually time is about to be 12 o'clock. I'm heading to office. Today I'm very late because I just returned from my hometown. I was out of town. Today what we're gonna do is I'll give you a perspective of the traffic situation in Bangalore. Okay, let's talk as we ride. So this is a typical route I'll take to my office, which is in Kundanahalli. So if I'm very lucky, then I will reach office within 45 minutes to 1 hour. Looks like the traffic is significantly less today. But typically on Mondays and Tuesdays, the traffic will be too much. So we are here at the first signal. It is at the Ramurthy Nagar stop. Usually here, you see the lane, right? This is the left side, and the right side, you get to see a lot of autos, bikers, cars. All tend to go on the opposite lane to avoid this particular signal. It takes a lot of time. We have to literally wait really long time at this junction. So maybe some 5 to 10 minutes. Let's wait. It's very sunny. It's very hot today in Bangalore. It's getting tough day by day to ride the motorcycle or drive the car in the city. Too much of traffic. Let's see. You will get a picture today. But I'm telling you already, the traffic is significantly less compared to any other typical Monday. Let's move on. This is the outer ring road, as people in Bangalore knows. And the intention of this video is mainly to give a picture to the people who are planning to come to Bangalore for maybe work purpose or normal tourism purpose or whatsoever. Bangalore is a beautiful city, no doubt about it. It's a very, very beautiful city, and it has got it is technologically, advanced city. You get everything over here, but the problem is two things. One is the real estate prices are too high. The rent, or if you want to buy a plot or a house, it's too high. And second thing is traffic management. It's really bad. You're seeing this stretch of road, right? With a lot of potholes. This particular road, you should see during the rainy day. At least now they have put on some sand, mud, or I don't know what they have put. I seen the people, the workers, they dug the side of this path. They put out the soil and try to cover these patches. That's not the right way to cover up the potholes, right? Anyways, the road will be very, very bad during the typical rainy day. And even this route also I could have taken, but to give you a picture, let me be on the outer ring road itself. Yeah man, traffic is very less today. We are lucky, but I am not lucky. I wanted to give you a complete picture, but I am going to give you a wrong picture about the Bangalore traffic. Anyways, I'll try to record a video some other time. This is what I'm talking about. Now every rider has to show their skills in navigating and flicking through this traffic. It's not that easy, guys. The two with the heavier motorcycles like our NX. I don't call this a heavy. Look at this. I don't call this a heavier motorcycle. It's a middleweight motorcycle about 200 kilos, but it is still heavy because I put the rear top box, so that's kind of impact the center of gravity, so you will have a kind of heaviness at the rear. I hope the clarity is good. By the way, this is my new GoPro Hero 12, and I have reasons why I picked up GoPro Hero 12 over 13 and the killer in the action camera department, that is DJI Action Pro 5 or 4 also for that matter. There is a reason. I'll tell as we pass the traffic. I try to keep the video as uncut as possible so that you will get a complete idea, but you should not feel bored at the same time, so I'll try to edit. Look at this, how dense the traffic is. Hope you can see the complete view of the traffic. Oh my god, look there. Let me be on the right side, and you can see the average fuel consumption. It's 17.5 per liter. Kilometer per liter. Okay, let me take a break here. Let me switch off my GoPro to save the battery. So even this route also clean in the sense, for me it is clean, because typically I can't switch to second gear also in this lane, but somehow managed to switch to second gear here. But you can have a complete look. Since we have Kyarpuram railway station close by here, this traffic, a lot of auto walas, and many people will be walking on this road to reach to the station. We have to be very, very careful on the stretch of this road. Ooh, wow. It's too hot today, guys. Look at this. Where have they stopped? But they have no other choice. Once I cross this stretch, right, I'll be taking about 20 minutes to reach office. And here the interesting part is, some people take the footpath, and interestingly, right, you can see the shadow there, right? Some people are standing over there. Sometimes cops will be eagerly waiting to catch hold of these guys, and yeah, here, and they'll put hefty fines. You must be getting a picture, right? The feel of the traffic. But I have put the ND filters to my lenses, for both the lenses, so you must not be feeling the light, the brightness of it too much, because it's 12 noon on a bright sunny day. You see the left hand side of mine is a railway station. That's why this stretch will always have traffic like that. I should be on the right side, but I don't know. Come on guys, please give me way. You get to see all sorts of machineries being transported. Oh God. Come on, come on. This would not be this free for sure, but I'm very lucky today. I'm not wearing my glove today because I have to, keep pressing these buttons, the GoPro buttons for 2 cameras. That is the reason I'm not wearing the gloves, because we don't get that feel of pressing. So I have another plan. I'm getting a gadget today, a GoPro switch, so that I can operate switching and controlling both the GoPros using that switch, which has typically a bigger button. Because many times while wearing the glove, right, I thought I pressed the button, because I pressed the button, but it would not take my press, because you have to, literally get that feel, and you don't get the feel wearing the gloves. And this one also, this is I want to buy a RAM mount, but currently I have Ulanzi in my home, so I just fix it up to see if this serves the purpose. Yeah, this is pretty much serving the purpose, so I'll see if I really need to invest on the RAM mount or not. Come on. It's like very free today. Oh my God, don't go to the right, baby, be on the left. Because this bike tend to go to the right side. So this is the wrong day to capture the vlog, capture the traffic. I'll have to repeat this probably on Thursday. You can literally enjoy the fun on the road. Okay, people will be coming in all the directions, especially from the left side. People come on the wrong route. Auto people ramming into bus people, stopping wherever they want. So you have missed all the fun, but please wait. I'll try to record another video probably next week. Here people will go on a wrong route. You see how nice these roads are. People park their cars, their own will and wish. That's why we need an adventure motorcyclist to ride in Bangalore. No fun, seriously. Okay. This is the best thing, coming on a bicycle. Is the dude trying to do? I hope you got a picture of the traffic here in Bangalore on a Monday, but believe me, this is only 50%. The real picture I'm going to show you in version 2.0, which is going to come in the probably next week or so. Look at the pothole there. How deep it is. Riding the twin cylinder is a fun, man. You don't feel the vibrations at all. You'll be rubbing the motor like anything. It will take you smoothly, no vibrations whatsoever. That's the fun part of having a twin cylinder. How much powerful the single cylinder is, but you will definitely feel the need of that smoothness which you get only in the twin cylinder motorcycle. Alright guys, I'm close to my office. Unfortunately, I cannot take the camera inside due to privacy restrictions. So I want to stop the footage now. So it took about 45 minutes. Now time is about to be 12:30. So I'm here within less than, I would say, 40 minutes. So I'm very super lucky. I've never come this quick, maybe in the last couple of months. I'm very happy for that. Again, I'm not happy. So that's all guys from this vlog. Hope you have enjoyed. So I am in the Brigade Tech Gardens. People who are aware of this stretch of road, Brigade Tech Gardens near to Kundanhalli. So I work there for automotive company. So do consider subscribing to the channel and leave a thumbs up and share with your friends if they want to get a gist of the traffic in Bangalore. As I said, I'm going to come with version 2.0. Until then, goodbye, take care, ride safe.